Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Oppo Find X8 Pro, a flagship smartphone that promises top-of-the-line features and cutting-edge technology. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. Oppo Find X8 Pro design and build. The Oppo Find X8 Pro boasts a sleek design with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The display supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+ and can reach a peak brightness of 4500 nits. The phone is available in 3 stunning colors: black, white, and blue, with a stylish matte finish that resists fingerprints. Weighing 215 grams and with a thickness of 8.2 mm, it feels comfortable and premium in hand. The device is also IP68, IP69 dust, water resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 3nm chipset, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is where things get interesting. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a quad camera system with a 50MP main camera with PDAF and OIS, a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, another 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 6x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. For selfies, there's a 32MP front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording at 3060fps and 1080p video recording at 60/240fps, ensuring you capture stunning photos and videos with gyro eyes and Dolby Vision. Battery and charging. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is equipped with a 5910 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 80W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, getting you back up and running in no time. Unique features. One standout feature of the Oppo Find X8 Pro is its IP68, IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, making it durable for everyday use. Additionally, it has stereo speakers with 24-bit, 192kHz high-res audio, providing an immersive audio experience. The phone also features an under-display fingerprint sensor and supports satellite connectivity, available in the 1TB 16GB RAM model. Conclusion. So, is the Oppo Find X8 Pro the flagship phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone that offers the ultimate flagship experience, the Oppo Find X8 Pro might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.